U.S. Citizenship Test N-400, Final Terrorist Questions Before Approval, Part 3. Andrea and David remain seated in the quiet USCIS interview room. Andrea is completing the final review of this section of the N-400 application, focusing on final confirmations and clear denials based on David's earlier answers in Parts 1 and 2.
Mr. David, we've discussed membership, support, awareness, and intent in Parts 1 and 2. Now I need to ask a final clarification question. Are you certain that none of your past activities could be considered terrorist-related under U.S. law?
Yes, officer. I am certain. None of my past activities are related to terrorism in any way.
Just to confirm, that includes activities from your home country during travel or before you came to the United States. Is that correct?
Yes, that is correct. Even before I came to the U.S., I was never involved in anything like that.
Thank you. Sometimes applicants worry about political events or protests. As a follow-up, have you ever participated in violent political actions or groups that supported violence against civilians or governments?
No, officer. I have never participated in violent actions. I have attended peaceful events like cultural festivals, but never violent protests or groups.
Understood. And you never helped organize, plan, or assist any activity that later became violent, yes or no?
No, I never helped organize or assist anything like that.
All right. Another follow-up. Have you ever provided shelter, transportation, or communication help to someone you later suspected was involved in terrorism?
No, that has never happened to me.
Thank you. I need to be very clear here. Based on everything we discussed, is it your testimony that none of your actions, direct or indirect, could reasonably be connected to terrorist activity?
Yes, officer. That is my testimony.
And everything you've said today is true and complete to the best of your knowledge, correct?
Yes, everything is true and complete.
Thank you. This question helps us confirm that there are no hidden or unclear issues before moving to final denials. My next question is direct. Have you ever been questioned, detained, or investigated by any government authority for terrorist-related issues?
No, officer. I have never been questioned or investigated for anything related to terrorism.
Just to confirm, that includes police, military, intelligence agencies, or border authorities in any country. Is that correct?
Yes, that is correct.
Thank you. As a follow-up, have you ever been stopped at an airport or border for suspicion related to terrorism?
No, I've been selected for routine checks sometimes, but never for terrorism or anything serious.
Understood. And you were never arrested, charged, or placed on a watch list for extremist or terrorist activity. Yes or no?
No, never.
All right. Another follow-up. Have you ever been asked to provide information about terrorist groups because of your background, travel, or associations?
No, officer. That has never happened.
Thank you. If such questioning had happened, it would be important to disclose it. So just to confirm clearly, there is no record, formal or informal, of you being linked to terrorism by any authority. Is that correct?
Yes, that is correct.
And you are not aware of any investigation involving your name, family, or close associates, correct?
Correct. I am not aware of anything like that.
Thank you. Your answers remain consistent with earlier parts. We'll now move to final legal understanding and confirmation. Mr. David, my next question is about understanding. Do you understand the seriousness of these questions and the legal importance of your answers today?
Yes, officer. I understand these questions are very serious and important.
Just to confirm, you understand that giving false information about terrorism can lead to denial of citizenship or other legal consequences. Is that correct?
Yes, I understand that clearly.
Thank you. As a follow-up, did you answer all questions honestly, even if some of them felt repetitive or uncomfortable?
Yes, I answered honestly. I know honesty is required, even if the questions are difficult.
Good. Another follow-up. Do you understand that your answers today are given under oath?
Yes, officer. I understand that.
And you understand that if new information later shows your answers were not true, it could affect your immigration status, correct?
Yes, I understand that too.
Thank you. One more confirmation. Are you confident that you did not leave out any information related to terrorist organizations, awareness, or associations?
Yes, I'm confident I did not leave anything out.
All right. This question helps ensure that the record is complete and accurate before we close this topic. This is my final question for this topic. Do you fully deny any involvement with terrorist organizations, including membership, support, awareness-based assistance, or intent?
Yes, officer. I fully deny any involvement in all those areas.
Just to confirm, your denial applies to the past, present, and any future intention. Is that correct?
Yes, that is correct.
Thank you. As a follow-up, is there anything you want to correct, add, or clarify before we finalize this section?
No, everything we discussed is correct. I have nothing to add or change.
All right. Final confirmation. Are all your answers in parts 1, 2, and 3 true and complete to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, officer. They are true and complete.
Thank you, David. I appreciate your clear and consistent answers throughout this topic. This completes the terrorist organizations section of your N-400 interview. We'll now move on to the next part of your application. Vocabulary note: testimony, a formal statement given under questioning. Indirect, not done personally, but through another action. Political action, activities related to government or public policy. Investigated, officially examined by authorities. detained, temporarily held by authorities. Watch list, a list used by authorities to monitor individuals. Under oath, legally promising to tell the truth. Consequence, a result or outcome of an action. Accurate, correct and truthful. Deny, to state that something is not true. Involvement, participation or connection. Clarify, to make something clearer. Thank you for your cooperation. Based on your responses, the terrorist organizations section is complete. We'll proceed with the remaining portions of your interview.